So there are times when you are focusing on your health and fitness and you want to eat something sweet, but you are also cutting out on junk food. So for times like these, I decided to try these very healthy classic choco chip cookies by Ditch the Kit. So I will sort of rate them on three criteria. First is of course taste, second is the quality of the ingredients used, and third is the price and the quantity. So let's see. First is ingredients. If you have ever read the ingredient list of other choco chip cookies, there are so many ingredients that you cannot identify. There are so many preservatives, raising agents, emulsifiers, acidity regulators, and whatnot. In these cookies, there are no such ingredients, and it is made of just 6 ingredients. One is ragi flour, almond flour, cacao beans, cocoa butter, olive oil, and stevia. And one is FOS. Although I don't know what it is, but still I think it is much better than other choco chip cookies in terms of ingredients. Also, the quality of ingredients, it is not made of maida. It does not have artificial sugar. It is stevia sweetened. Stevia is a plant basically. It belongs to the family of the tulsi plant. The second criteria is price and quantity. So this packet cost me around 150 rupees. 100 is the price and 50 for the delivery. And the quantity is 200 grams. There are in total around 11 cookies in this packet. So is it value for money? I would say if you can stop at just one cookie or you eat it very occasionally, then I think it is fine. The price is fine. But if you cannot do that and you eat cookies a lot, then maybe the price is on the higher side. Now the third and the most important criteria, taste. So this is the texture, if you care about it at all. I care more about the taste, so let's see. So about the taste, I would say that the taste was okay. Thoda, if you have tried kasar in your life, it tasted like that. And I tried 2 cookies, and one I found to be a little undercooked, and the second one was a little overcooked. I don't know how is that even supposed to happen? I don't know, but the taste was average. That is what I would say. Although in the matter of taste, I would rate it like 2 or 2.5 out of 5 if I had to. But still, I really love this brand, even though I am trying it for the first time, for the main reason that it is totally vegan. No animals were harmed during the production of this product, and that's why I am going to try a lot of their other products, if not all. I really look forward to try each and every product of this company to give it a proper chance. And but that is my personal opinion, right? The taste can differ person to person. In terms of value for money, like price and quantity, I would say it is 3.5 out of 5 because I eat a lot of cookies, and for me, I thought that they are on the higher side. But yes, if you're talking about health, I think that this is a very much a healthy version of choco chip cookies. And if you like the taste of this product, then it is a win-win. So that is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.